Hello, my name is Mrs Chalmers. Welcome to our numeracy strategy of the day. Here in Inverclyde, we use various strategies to help us calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We use these strategies from primary 3 to primary 7 and beyond. Being able to add, subtract, multiply and divide in different ways is a really useful skill to use in life. Today, we will focus on the process of addition, and the strategy we will use is counting on. Our learning intention for today is to use pictorial representations and abstract thinking to solve addition tasks. Abstract thinking is just number sense. It's about knowing how numbers are made. For example, 56 isn't just 50 and 6. It is also 50, add 5, add 1, and it is also 40, add 16. Another way to make 56 is 26, add 30. Maybe you could choose a 2 or 3 or 4 digit number and see how many different ways you can break apart the number. Our success criteria for today is to show, draw or describe how to solve an addition problem using the counting on strategy, and then to apply this strategy to similar problems. Have you got your pencil and paper ready? If you need to pause the video, you can do so just now. When you first learned to add, you would have counted on in ones, but that's not efficient when we are adding larger numbers. So we need to count on in different amounts. Counting on in hundreds, tens, fives is really useful, as well as adding on in different single digits. How would you solve 26 and 47? Use your empty number line and see if you can solve this problem. Pause the video and come back when you've done it. 26 add on 10 would give me 36, another 10, 46, 56, 66. I've added on 40 so far, so I still have 7 more to add on. Another 4 gets me to 70, and 3 more gets me to 73. Did you get that answer? Maybe you did it a different way. Maybe you did 26 with a jump of 20, making it 46, another 20 to get to 66, and then your 4 and 3 giving you a total of 73. Or perhaps you did 26 plus 40 and a jump of 4 and 3 to get you to 73. And maybe you did it a completely different way. There are so many different ways to get to the same answer. Do you notice that all those different ways still get to the answer of 73? Do you think it would happen if we started with the 47 and added on the 26? You're right, it would. It doesn't matter which way round the addition sum is. We could start with either of those numbers. Another way to see addition visually is to use the 100 square. We can find 26 on the 100 square, then we can count on in ones, 2, 3, 4, 4 sets of 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and another 1, 2, 3 ones. We can see this as our 4 sets of 10 to make 40, a set of 4 and a set of 3, 4 and 3 giving us 7. Let's try a trickier one. 418 add on 33. I've put my 418 at the beginning of my empty number line. Again, you can pause the video and have a go yourself and come back to check and see what I have. 418 and another 10 gets to 428, 10 more is 438, and 10 more is 448. And then we can add on maybe a 2 and another 1, and that would get the answer 451. Another way to work this out is to count in different amounts. 418 add on 30 would get me to 448, and another 3 would get me to 451. Which one is the most efficient? Can you think why? Would it have been better this time to start with 33 and add on the 418? You would have reached the same answer, but I don't think it would have been very efficient. Let's have another go. Draw your empty number line, pause the video and come back when you've got your answer. This sum is 756, add on 128. 756 add on 100 is 856. I've still got 28 to add on. I could do 2 sets of 10, a set of 4 and another set of 4. That would get me to the answer of 884. Perhaps I could do add on 100, add on a jump of 20 instead of 2 sets of 10. I could still jump on my 2 sets of 4 and my answer would still come to 884. Or perhaps you might have done it this way. Add on 100, add on 20 and then add on 8 in one big jump. It's now your turn to try out some addition problems using the counting on strategy. You can start at the first column, and if you find them too easy, move on to the next column. If you're still finding this quite hard, you may need to use some materials to help. Maybe use different sized Lego blocks for the hundreds, tens and ones. Pause this video while you complete the task. When you have finished, you can share your work with your teacher. You will also find another activity and a link to an online game to try to practice addition. Here's a game called Ball Pass. I hope you have some fun playing with someone else, or maybe if you have a few people in your family, they'll all want to join in. Here is the link to an online site. There are lots of different addition games on here for you to try. Maybe you could try out a few and decide which one you like best. Good luck!